winds are really picking up now. Here comes a wind gust. Whoa. Oh my gosh. The snow's completely going sideways. Whew. Wow. Oh, it takes your breath away. There's the plows. Whoa. The weather just said that the wind gusts are now reaching over 40 miles an hour. Oh, it's freezing out here. Whoa. We're trying to keep up with the snow in the driveway, so every couple of inches we are plowing it with the four-wheeler because it's such a wet snow. It weighs a lot. Oh man, I'm freezing. Alright guys, I'm going in. It's cold. Bye-bye.